Hi guys, so this is the next video of the Google Slides. So the Google Slides are found right here under Summary of the Week, Infectious Diseases, the Role of the Human Immune System. So if you click on this link, it will actually go through week four's module and it'll explain things to you a little better. I'll go through it with you. So each section, you're going to watch videos, complete the readings, or interact with the graphics, complete the activity, use the discussion boards on Canvas to post your work and respond to the prompts. So you're going to do all the work on Canvas, but this Google Slides is just to help you. So kind of gives you a little bit of what the immune system is, goes through the animation virus wars, which I showed you earlier. Viruses are parasites that use cells of other living organisms as hosts. Virus will invade the host and use it as a source of energy to carry out the functions of a virus, protecting your body and keeping your body healthy. So basically, these are kinds of the study guides giving you some answers and helping you out. Here are the readings that I had showed you. You find them right here. And here's a larger view of the, of what it looks like, and you can read a little better. This is the activity with the models and everything. And then over here, it gives you 6 different examples, which I think this is really what's going to be helpful for you when it comes down to the metaphor. So you can click on these to check out what each one of these is. So this is a short story. This is the Bio Killer T Cell Model, a short story. And basically, this is literally a short story about the killer T cell model. So this is a metaphor, and you can read it and see if you want to use something along these lines. Now, you're not to copy any of these, but you can use these along these lines, your own creativity. And this is a model slides, kind of using another metaphor to describe the killer T cells, right? Like the soldiers are considered the killer T cells, and these are different examples of a body, the immune system, different proteins and enzymes again, and then what antibodies are. So this is a different type of metaphor for the T cells, and it's using a lot of the complementary system. So another one is a computer drawing, right? This one did a computer drawing. You can see it right here. The computer drawing with a story about how viruses, how the killer T cells are like the bodies of those soldiers and how they kill off different pathogens. That's another one. Then this one doesn't work, the animation, I wish it did. And there was this one, right? A comic. This is a little bit of a different comic. This is more of a storyboard, kind of going through the story of the killer T cells. And the last one, killer T cell model drawing. Yeah, there's another picture. Okay, so those are just a few examples of what you can do to student examples of, basically a metaphor of the T cells. Okay, and this is kind of going in and explaining where you're going to be, putting in your link. Okay, so I hope this helps. You have it embedded right here in the beginning of week 4 agenda, and down here you have support materials. So you can click on here, handout number 1, and infectious diseases, how the immune system works, kind of going through the activities, and you can click on all these, okay? Explain the analogy that you chose in your model, write one fun fact or note they took on each video. So here's one resource that you can use, a handout, sketchnote model, 10 brilliant ways to do example of sketch notes. So you can sketchnote instead of just taking notes. Sketchnote for me is a lot more fun. So this is an example. Then there's language frames. Oh, that doesn't work. Yeah, and then if you guys are done earlier and you wanted to do some extra credit, here it is. How can you extend your learning? Expand your model to include B cells and helper T cells, and other main parts. Independent reading, you can do your own research, or immune system feedback loops video. Okay, so I hope this helps, and yeah, good luck on week 4, and I will see you guys soon.